Now, if you've been thinking about buying a drone to record some content with, don't. Until you've mastered some of the basics. Get a tripod. And once you have mastered those, then you can sprinkle that fairy dust over the top with a drone. But don't get it at the very beginning. If you start by getting like all the gear but have no idea, then it's not going to be good. If you look at my content, I only use a drone when I think it's going to add something to it. I don't add it in every single shot. But if you do want to get one, then I would buy this one, which is the DJI Neo 2. It's a massive upgrade from the first one, and you can control it with your hands. So if I was to put my hand out here and move it around there, I can then get it to follow me from behind, and I can raise it up and lower it down. See? It works pretty well. And if I want to bring it back down again, I just do the opposite and spin it around. I record my audio separately, but you can record it through the drone. And I think it's a pretty good buy. So once you've mastered your content creation, why not give it a go?